Hi there guys, in this video I will show you how to send GIF in Viber. Firstly, when you open up the application, you need to open up a chat section in which you're gonna get up and send a GIF. For example, as you can see right here, I have chosen a chat section, and now what you need to do next, here as you can see right down, you have many options to get up through him, and also you have three dots. If you tap on it, you can find out these three options, but here is not that section which we're gonna get it right now. Now as you can see on the fourth selection is that GIF section, which you're gonna just simply click on it, and then you can create your own GIF. You can get up your saved GIFs. You can get up by games. You can find out any of them for Tainer, or you can get up browser setup. Now you can get back and simply what you're gonna do, click on the sticker side, and here guys also you're gonna find out these steps up sections, in which if you type on GIF section, and if you simply just click on this sign line, and now as you can see when you get up into your keyboard, and if you click on the fourth selection, which is GIF, here guys you're gonna find out all these GIF sections, in which you can simply type, for example, Ramos, and here it is, Sergio Ramos. You're adding on it, and now as you can see you have sent it a GIF. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon.